So having shown you the bobbles, I'm now going to show you the second textural effect of this pattern, which is the stripes. So I'm now looking at panel 2 of the pattern. I've got my right side facing and I'm ready to begin. So beginning first of all with chain 1, as I always do for my turning chain. And now this time I'm still going to be working double crochets, but now instead of going right through the stitch, which I've been doing all along, I'm now going to go into just the back loop. So it's into there. So just the back loop. And by doing this, you will be creating from the front a ridge. And if you do a series of these, it'll give the effect of a sort of stripe effect to it. So you can see I'm just beginning to show that there's a ridge showing there at the front. So I'll just go along to the end of the row. This is just a swatch of 15 stitches, just to show you. So I'll just keep going into that back loop with my DCs all the way along to the end, remembering to work into the turning chain as well. So just keep on going, and then when I get to the end of that row, I'm going to turn. So there you can see there's a ridge on the front, and I'm going to turn, and on the way back on my wrong side I'm going to work DCs, but this time into the whole stitch. So back to what we were doing in our first panel. So this is going right through the top of the stitch, so you can see there's sort of 2 V's here, going right through. So on the wrong side it's always going to be through the whole stitch, and on the right side for this panel it's just through the back loop. So I'll just keep working quickly to the end of that row, and then I'll show you the effect from the right side facing. That's coming to the end of that row, and always remember into the turning chain as well. And now if I turn that over, you can see we've got our first stripe effect here with that front ridge. So that will be repeated to create the rest of the stripes for this panel.